What is ClickFunnels used for? Hi, my name is Pankaj Singh, and in this video I'm gonna show you, or you can say I'm gonna tell you that what is ClickFunnels used for, right? So if you're looking for that, then yes, this video is for you guys, right? So okay, now here without a delay, let me tell you what is ClickFunnels used for, guys, by going inside my ClickFunnels account, guys, that I have created just now, guys, right? So guys, here you can see right now I'm on official website of ClickFunnels, right? And I'm going to log in into my ClickFunnels account, guys, and my email. Password. So guys, it's my, you can say, new account, guys, right? I have one more account, right? So add your company address. My business is in here. I have to, okay, I'm just put my address, guys, right? Just a random address, my company, whatever, because it's a new account, that's why it's asking me, guys, right? So Seva colony, city Chandigarh, Haryana, 1615. My country is India. So guys, I'm putting a random address, guys, right? So you can put your real address, guys, if you want. India, right? And here, now it's okay, right? So yes, guys, you can see I'm into my ClickFunnels account, guys, right? So again, now here, what is ClickFunnels used for? In simple line, guys, I would say ClickFunnels is a SaaS software. You can say software as a service, guys, right? And with the help of ClickFunnels, you can create sales funnel, you can create a landing page, you can create squeeze page, right? In any niche, guys, that you can imagine, guys. It's a simple funnel builder, guys, right? It's a, you can say, you don't need to have any knowledge of you can say HTML, Java, etc, guys, right? It's a simple drag and drop funnel builder through which you can create your sales funnel, your landing page, squeeze page, whatever, guys, that you want to create, guys, right? With the help of ClickFunnels, guys, in simple one line, guys, right? So this is for a ClickFunnels, guys, right? And for that, for creating, you can say your funnel, all you have to do, guys, can you see that build a funnel, guys? You have to click on that, guys. Click on that button if you want to build your funnel, guys, right? So build funnel, guys, right? So yep, all I want to collect emails. So choose, and I want to give it a name. Let's assume affiliate, as I'm into affiliate marketing, guys, right? Affiliate funnel. So you can see that, guys, right? Opt-in. So from here, right, I can pick any template, guys. And here, guys, I would say whenever you are going to create landing or squeeze page or sales funnel, I would say, guys, keep it simple, guys. Don't try to make things over complicated. Keep simple thing, guys, right? So here, let me show you. Let's assume I'm going to pick this one. Okay, let's see the preview, guys, first. Yeah, okay. Okay, let's pick this one. Yeah, this looks good, guys, right? So yeah, so I'm gonna, can you see that? Select template. Right, I have selected, and can you see that edit page? So by going in, you can say inside the editor section, I can edit this page, guys, right? So I have clicked on the button edit page. So here, guys, I can say something like discover how to build a 5-figure affiliate marketing business in 7 simple steps. Simple, guys, simple, right? Right. So, and yeah, here I can, you can say, I can add the element like sub headline, saying something, even if you are beginner or have no prior experience. That's it, guys, right? So you can see that, guys, right, how simple it is, guys, right? So here, yeah, enter your name and email below. Yeah, that's it, guys, right? Yeah, okay, everything is good. Yes, here, guys, I can put my own video, right? Or if I want, I can put the image, guys, right? Can you see that image? I can put image, guys, here, right, wherever, and let me show you, guys, right? So can you see that image? So I can go here, and for that, guys, I need to first upload the image, guys, right? So let's upload this image, guys. So now it has been uploaded. So what I need to do, guys, click on that. I'm gonna, you can say, select this image and then add, guys. Can you see that, guys, right? And yes, I can delete this one, guys, this video I don't want. So yeah, so I can change the size of this image, guys. Can you see? Yeah, right, 400. Can you see that, guys? So how simple it is, guys, right? So yeah, simply, guys, after, you can say, doing everything, all you need to do, guys, simply go and save, guys. That's it. And if you want to check the preview, yes, you can check out the preview, guys. Can you see that? Yeah, preview. Yeah, yes. So this is how it looks, guys, right? So, guys, here, like, you know, as you know that I'm not professional, guys, right? So you can create the funnel, simple affiliate marketing funnel by yourself, guys. You don't need to hire someone. You don't need to pay thousands of dollars to someone, guys, right, for creating your funnel, right? With the help of Clickfunnels, you can create funnel by yourself, guys, right? And yes, guys, here, can you see that, guys, this button, guys, right? So here, guys, it's up to you, guys, right? If let me show you. Can you see that gear button, guys? So here, set action, guys, right? So here, it's mean that, guys, if someone put his name and email address, then what's the next step, right? So here, next step, if you want people to go to the website or go to your affiliate link, then yes, you can select this one. Can you see that? Go to website URL, right? So you can select this one. Or if you want that people go to your, or you can say person go to your next page, then yes, keep this as it is, guys, right? You don't need to do anything. Can see that submit order, submit form, right? So you don't need to do anything. But if you want people go to your affiliate link or any other website, then yes, you can select this one. So let me show you how you can do that. Go to website, simply click that, and here you need to put your affiliate link. So let's assume, okay, let's assume this is my affiliate link, guys. Actually it's my blog link, guys. Let me show you first. Yeah, you can see this is my blog link. So let's assume this is my affiliate link, right? So what I need to do, guys, simply go to, can you see that, enter a website URL. So I have put my blog link, guys, and here you can put your affiliate link, guys, right? It's up to you. So put enter, guys. Yes, this is very, very important, guys. When you put your link or affiliate link here or URL, hit enter, guys, right? Now open in same window. It's up to you, guys. I want this link to open in next page, guys, right? So everything is okay, guys, right? All I have to do, save, guys, right? So when someone put his, like, now can you see that preview? So I'm gonna click on that and I will show you what will happen. So I'm gonna put my name, Pankaj Singh, and my email address, pankaj.singh@gmail.com. So yes, I want to sign up. That's it. And now you will see that, guys. Can you see that, guys? So how easy it is, guys, right? So yeah, if you want to change the text of this button, right? So you can change it from here. Can you see that? Yes, I want. Yes, I want this book. Whatever, guys, you want, it's up to you, right? And yeah, you can change the color of this button if you want. So I want like black. Yeah, that's good. Not bad, guys, right? So yep, so this is what you can do, guys, right? With ClickFunnels. And yes, if you want to put video, then simple, guys. Can you see that orange plus sign? Click on that, and here, guys, what you can see that video. So click on that video section, and yes, I don't want, so delete this one, right? And here, guys, can you see the settings? Go to settings, and now here you can put YouTube video or Vimeo video. So it's up to you, guys. So I want to put YouTube video. Let's zoom. So simply click on the YouTube section, right? And then here put your YouTube URL. So let me show you how you do that. So let's assume this is my URL, right? So I'm gonna copy, and I will go and I will put my URL here, right? And enter. That's it, and save, guys, right? And go to, again, you can see the preview. Yep, you can see that, guys, right? So this is how you use ClickFunnels, guys, right? So yep, finally, guys, after doing everything, yes, you can check out its mobile version if you want to check out, yeah, how it looks in mobile, right? So you can do that, right? And then finally save, right? And after, you can say, doing everything, all you need to do after saving, go back, exit, and this will be your final URL, guys, right? This is your final URL that you need to give, that you need to promote, guys, right? So if I copy, and now you will see that, guys. Yeah, you can see, right? So that's it, guys. Now you know what is Clickfunnels used for, guys, right? And yes, guys, here I'm showing the example of you can say affiliate marketing, right? Because I'm into affiliate marketing niche, so I only use Clickfunnels for my affiliate marketing stuff, right? But yes, if you are into, like, coaching or high ticket coaching, high ticket of supplements, e-commerce, whatever, guys, you can create funnel, guys. You can create funnel by yourself, because there are templates, guys, that you can use, right? You can say ready-made template, and that you can use for your online business, guys, right? So yes, guys, this is all about for today, right? And yes, if you have any questions, you can ask your question. I will try my level best to answer you, guys, right? And yes, guys, if you haven't subscribed to my channel, then yes, please go and subscribe to my channel, right? Down below there is a bell notification button. And yeah, if you want to subscribe to Clickfunnels, then yes, down below there is a link of Clickfunnels. Very frankly, it's my affiliate link, guys, right? So if you join Clickfunnels using my link, I will make commission, guys, right? So yep, if you want to subscribe for Clickfunnels, then yes, down below there is a link. You can go and check out, guys, right? So yep, so much for watching. Love you and have a nice day. Bye bye, guys.